Look, I'm here with my mother. Yep. Anyways, I'm testing. Yesterday we did a full video using these for doing like a vlog. Today we're gonna try the Ultra, the Insta360 Ultra. So I'm gonna take it around for the day, see how that turns out. So join us. We're going shopping. First off, I have to show them like this chair. Look at this chair. That's my chair when I was little.
Yeah, so see this piece
Little broken
belongs
piece.
here.
Where does it go? Oh, just there.
Yeah, and then the crack rates, I don't know.
Well, that's, yeah, I could fix that, I'm sure. Sure. I'm not completely useless.
I don't know what kind of glue. Well, so wood glue, I guess, of some sort.
Keep that for me, because that'll be excellent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You planning on fitting back into that again someday?
I'm going to fit in that. Yes, I am.
Your big foot, that's about it.
Maybe my foot, yep. I bought little goggles for Lily, but her head's too small still. So my hope is that by next spring, her head grows enough that they fit. I know where we're going. We're going to barbecues galore. Hopefully, no, I hope that's not right.
Oh, there's my next lawn chair.
Yes.
Fireplaces.
This looks right. Standard clientele for this shop.
I do, yes.
Yeah,
I
right?
do.
Yeah, standard Indian rider, I think.
Yeah, I am.
They'll be like, watch out, badasses by coming into the building. Yep.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I didn't get any tattoos.
I know, next time.
Maybe
We'll go out for one.
We'll paste one on. Oh, gee. That pinched my finger.
Cycle works.
Ready for winter,
I don't even
eh?
know how you get in here. Right here, maybe? Welcome to Cycle. Please use front door. Is that this? All right. Cool. Yep.
I could buy 2 cars for that. Mini ones.
Not new cars, but but yes. Yes, you could.
Oh, I got shirts here, 2 different colors.
Yeah, but I need a good dealer shirt. So, look, it's proof that I'm in Alberta. See, look, Edmonton Oilers. Yep, Edmonton Oilers. And my mother said she wanted to, she could ride the biggest quad in there, and I was like, I just want to, yeah, I just kind of want to see that happen. Is what I want to see. You'd pop it out of gear, and you'd be off the back.
I thought it was a tractor, and I'd be back on the farm.
No, not a tractor, but still entertaining. Yes. Now we are going to somewhere where I have keys. We're going to the outlets. The outlet mall. Yeah. Exciting. Sure. Okay, I want you folks to see my mom's hunting glasses. Look at her. What is happening?
Your mother's so cool.
Right? Look at that. Camo. She fits right into the Alberta.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
I do.
Yep. Okay, so we are at the outlet mall. This is right by the airport. So, Mom was saying that they even have little areas inside to tell you when like flights are departing.
By the food court.
By the food court.
So you can eat. And
So you can, yeah, you can make sure you get to the airport in time while you're shopping. So you can be sitting in here and be like, okay, my flight's delayed. I'm just gonna hang out and do more shopping, I guess. What I'm surprised is they don't have some kind of thing where you can use this as like duty free, you know? But maybe they do. I don't know which way that way?
Well, I think they go in at
All
all
right.
4 corners.
Okay. All right, we're gonna go inside. Yes, sir. You want to hop in?
No.
No? Little cars? What a glorious mall. Glorious. Is this the pajama store? No. There's a lot of pajama stuff. Root beer, I guess?
Yeah.
Yep. They don't believe in trays.
$150 to do my sidewalk on the front walkway.
To do your what?
To clear the snow of my walkway and for the winter.
How much?
$150 a month. So I told him I'm not around until Tuesday. Because you were going to come to the house.
Monique will be jealous. What's that? Clark Shoes and lots of other stores.
What are the better shoes?
All right, so shopping is done, I think. Mom bought nothing. I even offered to buy her something. She wouldn't do it. And Crocs and Michael Kors. So, polar edges of the spectrum. Yep. Yep. But Mom did find the car she liked. She liked the Audi.
Yeah,
You like the Audi?
I did.
Yeah. So, what is that?
What I like doesn't necessarily mean what I want.
Well, it is what you want.
As
It may
soon
not
as
be
I
what
see
you
the
need.
price, it always automatically says, don't want it.
Right? Yeah. Okay, we're leaving. We're leaving this place.